Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question that pops up a lot, especially for those who are looking to organize their finances. How many savings accounts can I have at Regions Bank? Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and think about why this question is even important. Savings accounts are like your personal piggy banks, right? They help you save money for specific goals, whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or even just a rainy day fund. But here's the thing, sometimes having just one savings account isn't enough. Different goals require different saving strategies, and having multiple accounts can help you stay organized and on track. So, let's get back to the question at hand. How many savings accounts can you actually have at Regions Bank? Well, the good news is, there's no hard limit. You can open as many savings accounts as you want. However, it's important to note that having too many accounts can also be overwhelming. It can be difficult to keep track of everything, and it might even make it harder to reach your goals. So, it's a good idea to find a balance that works for you. Here are a few tips for deciding how many savings accounts to open. Start with the basics. Most people find it helpful to start with a few basic accounts, such as an emergency fund and a general savings account. Consider your goals, think about what you're saving for, and create separate accounts for each goal. For example, you might have one account for a down payment on a house, another for a new car, and another for retirement. Choose the right type of account. Regions Bank offers a variety of savings account options, each with its own features and benefits. Choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Set up automatic transfers. One way to make saving easier is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings accounts. This way, you can save money without even thinking about it. I hope this information is helpful. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer when it comes to how many savings accounts to have. It's all about finding what works best for you and your financial goals. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, happy saving.